My dying wish is that you like and subscribe. Share it to all your friends. I'm only joking. Nah, that's creepy. Where's Pennywise? So I got a new camera for all 47 of my subscribers. The last time I went up that track over there, I might go this way this time. Can I get through here? I can't get over that log. That's for horses. I don't know where this track goes. Last time I turned right at the T intersection, this time I turned left. Oh, I know where I am. I came down here last time. And it was about 30 degrees and the camera overheated and I was dying. I felt like I was overheating. And I know it's pretty tough up there. So I'm going to turn around. Because I also know that there's not much up ahead. Might ride the mountain bike for a minute. The only problem with these safety glasses is they kind of warp everything. It's like a fisheye effect. It's a little bit disorientating. Disorientating. Neutral. Check it out. I think probably the bug that I hit the most, unfortunately, is the butterfly. They come out of nowhere and they absolutely smack into your helmet. Let's go. So this is where we were last time. Hey, that's a bit of a view. Private property, do not enter. I just can't be bothered getting up. I made the mistake of putting my glasses down somewhere. There. Gotcha. Now when you're standing up, do you hug the bike with your legs? I don't know. Because when you go over bumps, you want your legs to be out so you can sort of, you know, move up and down. But it feels so much better when your legs are up against the bike. Oh my god. That just creeps me out. No, that's creepy. Safety first. Ooh, what was that? You can hear the shock waves. Alright, well, I've done something stupid enough to put in the intro. There's all those little weird cutouts. It always looks like it's leading to a trail, but I don't know what they are. Alright, let's go this way. This way. It's some sort of view. So my last short video got, I mean, it's currently on about 3,000 views, which is insane, considering I'm used to getting a couple hundred views. So that's exciting. That's cool. Thank you to the people that keep subscribing. Because I feel like only yesterday I had like 5 subscribers. I was getting excited about that. I can confirm that I am one of those people who frantically refreshes the analytics like every hour. Oh, this video has another like. Oh, a new subscriber. It's exciting. I think I might more or less head back. I was umming and ahhing for ages about getting a new camera, because I don't exactly have a lot of money. But if I get home today and check this footage and it's all good, there's no problems, then I'm glad I bought it. Because if I was using the GoPro right now, not that GoPros are always unreliable, it's the fact that sometimes they are. And the fact that sometimes they are sort of just puts that doubt in your mind. You have a really good moment on the bike, a really good hill climb, really exciting, good footage, and you look in the mirror and the screen's off and it's dead. And then you press the button and it turns on. It's like what was it doing? And it's unfortunate because I've got a soft spot for GoPro.